So, welcome to all in this lecture. So, this is the second session on the practice questions of complementary function in difference equation. Question is un plus 2 plus un plus 1 plus un equal to 0, where u0 equal to 1 and u1 equal to also 1. So, given that un plus 2 plus un plus 1 plus un equal to 0, or this equation can be written as by using the formula e power k un equal to un plus k. So by using this formula, this equation can be written as e square plus e plus 1 into pi n equal to 0. So auxiliary equation is e square plus e plus 1 equal to 0. And on factorizing this equation, suppose this is equation number 1, by using the discriminant formula ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, here x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So by using this formula, this equation can be factorized. So we have e equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 minus 4 upon 2, and finally simplifying e equal to minus 1 plus minus under root 3 into y upon 2, and further we can write e equal to minus 1 by 2 plus minus under root 3 by 2. This is the a plus minus iv form. So we have r square equal to a square plus b square. So r square means minus 1 by 2 square plus under root 3 by 2 square, or on simplifying we get r equal to 1, and theta equal to tan inverse of b upon a, and by using the values of a plus a and b, so theta equal to tan inverse of under root 3 by 2 upon minus 1 by 2. On simplifying this, it will be tan inverse of minus under root 3, and we know that the value of tan of 2 pi by 3 is equal to minus under root of 3. So by using this value, we have theta equal to 2 pi by 3. So finally CF is 1 power n in the bracket C1 cos 2 pi by 3 into n plus C2 sin 2 pi by 3 into n. Pi is 0, by right hand side is 0. So general solution is un equal to 1 power n in the bracket C1 cos 2n pi by 3 plus C2 sin 2n pi by 3. Question number 1. So putting the given boundary condition, so for n equal to 0, u1 equal u0 equal to 1, and putting the value n equal to 0 in equation 1, so we have 1 equal to c1 cos 0 plus c2 sin 0. Finally this gives c1 equal to 1. Suppose that this is equation number 2, and putting n equal to 1 in equation 1, we have u1 equal to 1 equal to c1 cos 2 pi by 3 plus c2 sin 2 pi by 3. But we know that cos 2 pi by 3 equal to minus 1 by 2 and sin 2 pi by 3 equal to under root 3 by 2. So by using these values, above equation becomes 1 equal to minus 1 by 2 c1 plus under root 3 by 2 c2 under root 3 by 2 c2. So on simplifying we get 2 equal to minus C1 plus under root 3 C2, or by using the value of C1, so 2 equal to minus 1 plus 1 under root 3 C2, and finally we get C2 equal to under root of 3. So by using the values of C1 equal to 1 and C2 equal to under root 3, our result becomes un equal to cos 2n pi by 3 plus under root 3 sin 2n pi by 3 is the answer. So next question is by k plus 2 minus 6 by k plus 8 by k equal to 0, and k is greater than equal to 0, by 0 equal to 3 and by 1 equal to 2. So how to solve this question? So this equation can be written as in the form of e by using the formula y power e power k into y power n equal to y n plus k. By using this formula our equation can be written as e square into y k minus 6e into y k plus 8 by k equal to 0, or taking common y k, so we have e square minus 6e plus 8 into y k equal to 0. So auxiliary equation is e square minus 6e plus 8 0. On factorizing this equation we have e square minus 2e minus 4e plus 8 equal to 0, or taking common e from first two terms e and remaining value is e minus 2, and taking common minus 4 from last two terms, so minus 4 into e minus 2. Finally we get e minus 2 into e minus 4, and it will be this e equal to 2 and 4. So roots are real and unequal. So CF is C1 under CF. So CF is C1 2 power k plus C2 4 power. So general solution is yk equal to C1 into 2 power k and plus C2 into 4 power. Suppose that this is equation number. And please note that here pi equal to 0. Why right hand side is 0? So general solution is given by yk equal to CF plus pi. So now we can write this general solution yk equal to C1 into 2 power k plus C2 into 4 power k. Equation number 1. So put k equal to 0 in equation 1. We get y0 equal to 3 means C1 plus C2. Equation number 2. And put k equal to 1 means y1 equal to 2C1 plus 4C2. Equation number 3. On solving equation 2 and 3, we get C1 and C2 constant. So we get C1 equal to 5 and C2 equal to minus 2. So by using these values, general solution is yk equal to 5 into 2 power k minus 2 into 4 power k is the answer. So next question is 6 yk plus 2 minus yk plus 1 plus yk equal to 0. Boundary conditions are y0 equal to 0 and y1 equal to 1. So this equation can be written as in the form of e. So we have 6e square minus e plus 1 into yk equal to 0. So auxiliary equation is 6e square minus e plus 1 equal to 0. And also on solving this equation for e by using the discriminant formula, we have e equal to 1 plus minus under root of 1 minus 23 upon 12. So 1 plus minus I under root 23 upon 12. It will be 1 upon 12 plus minus I under root 23 upon 12. So we have a equal to 1 by 12 and b equal to under root 23 upon 12. So we know that r square equal to a square plus b square. So r square equal to 1 upon 144 plus uh, under root of 23 square means 23 upon 144, and finally it will be 24 upon 144, means r square equal to 1 upon 6 and final r equal to under root of 1 upon 6, or we can write r equal to 1 upon under root 6 and theta equal to tan inverse of 23 upon 12 upon 1 upon 12. So final theta equal to tan inverse of under root 23. So CF is, by using this formula r power k, c1 cos k theta plus c2 sin k theta, CF is 1 upon CF is 1 upon 6 power k by 2 in the bracket c1 cos k tan inverse of under root 23 plus c2 sin k tan inverse of under root 23. So pi is 0. So final answer, general solution is by k equal to 1 upon 6 power k by 2 in the bracket c1 cos in the bracket tan inverse of 23 plus c2 sin k tan inverse of 23. Suppose that this is equation number. So by using the given boundary conditions, so we have k equal to 0 in equation 1. So by 0 equal to 0 means 1 upon 6 power 0 and in the bracket c1 cos 0 plus c2 sin 0. This gives c1 equal to 0, and again by using the second boundary condition y1 equal to 1. So put k equal to 1 in equation 1. So y1 equal to 1 means 1 upon under root 6 in the bracket c1 tan inverse of 23 plus c2 sin tan inverse of under root 3. But we can calculate already c1 equal to 0. So by using this value, this term will be 0. And finally, we have 1 equal to 1 upon under root 6 plus 0 plus c2 into sin tan inverse of 23 under root. So c2 equal to under root 6 upon sin tan inverse of under root 23. So final solution by k equal to 1 upon under root 6 power k sin under root 6 upon sin tan inverse of 23 into sin k into tan inverse of 23. And this equation can be written as in the short form by k equal to 1 upon under root 6 into sin under root 6 upon sin theta into sin k theta, where theta equal to tan inverse of under root 23 equal to theta. We can write this answer in the short form by using this fact. So next question is, solve the difference equation 6 by n plus 2 minus by n plus 1 minus by n equal to 0 and boundary conditions by 0 equal to 0 and by 1 equal to. So given equation can be written as 6e square minus e minus 1 into yn equal to 0, and a will be 6e square minus e minus 1 equal to 0. On solving this equation, we have e equal to 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. So CF is C1, so CF is C1 into 1 upon 2 power n plus C2 into minus 1 upon 3 power n. So general solution is given by y equal to CF plus Pi. Here Pi equal to 0, y right hand side is 0. So general solution yn equal to C1 into 1 upon 2 power n plus C2 into minus 1 upon 3 power n. Equation number 1. Boundary conditions are n equal to 0 and y0 equal to 0 for n equal to 1 and yn equal to 1. So by using these boundary conditions, put n equal to 0 in equation 1. We have y0 equal to 0 means C1 plus C2. Suppose that this is equation number 1. इक्वेशन 2 बोल सकते हैं, 1 ऑलरेडी बोल चुके हैं. एंड अगेन n for n equal to 1, y1 equal to 1 means c1 into 1 by 2 plus c2 into minus 1 by 3. Or suppose this is equation number 3. So by using the equation 2, equation 3 can be written as 1 equal to C1 into 1 by 2 plus C1 into 1 by 3. Or further simplifying, we can common C1. So 1 equal to C1 in the bracket 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Or on simplifying, we get C1 equal to 6 upon 5 and C2 equal to minus 6 upon 5. So final answer is 6 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 power n minus 1 upon 3 power n is the answer. So next question is solve the difference equation 4yn minus yn plus 2 equal to 0. Given boundary conditions are y0 equal to 0 and y1 equal to 2. So above equation can be written as in the form of e4 minus e square into yn equal to 0. So we can write this equation as taking minus common. So e square minus 4 into yn equal to 0. So a will be e square minus 4 equal to 0 and this gives e equal to plus minus under root 2. So we observe that roots are real and distinct. So CF is C1 into 2 power n plus C2 into minus 2 power n. So general solution is yn equal to CF plus Pi and Pi is 0 here, y right hand side is 0. So general solution is yn equal to C1 into 2 power n plus C2 into minus 2 power n. I call it, this is equation number 1. So by conditions, put n equal to 0 means y0 equal to 0 means C1 plus C2 equation number 2. And for n equal to 1, y1 equal to 2 means 2C1 minus 2C2. Suppose that this is equation number 3. And by using the equation 2, equation 3 becomes 2 equal to 2C1 minus 2 into minus C1. So it will be 2 equal to 2C1 plus 2C1 means C1 equal to 1 upon 2. So C2 is also minus 1 by 2. So equation 1 becomes yn equal to 1 by 2 in the bracket 2 power n minus 2 power n is the answer.